Could the looming US debt crisis be the springboard that propels Bitcoin to unprecedented heights? A fascinating question indeed. Let's delve into this. The United States, the world's largest economy, is currently saddled with a staggering debt of $33.7 billion. This alarming figure emerged after the country recorded a deficit of $1.7 trillion last year, a consequence of maintaining higher fiscal spending than it can afford. In an attempt to curb inflation, the Federal Reserve, Fed, has raised interest rates. Renowned billionaire investor Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, has voiced his concerns about this situation. In a television interview on November 17th, Dalio warned of an emerging emergency. He expressed his fears, stating, "The United States will face a crisis as long as it continues to go into debt faster than its income grows, increasing the issuance of dollars to cope with the situation." Dalio's prognosis paints a bleak picture. He believes that the worse the situation gets, the more pressing the long-term problem becomes. His call to action for the government is clear: address the situation now to avoid detrimental economic and social consequences. However, he remains skeptical about the Fed modifying its aggressive monetary policy. But where does Bitcoin fit into this complex economic puzzle? Enter Jack Mallers, the CEO of Bitcoin payments platform Strike. Mallers offers a different perspective. He sees the US debt crisis as a potential driver of demand for the digital currency and, consequently, its price. In a television interview, Mallers stated that eventually Bitcoin is going to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. This rise, he believes, will be driven not only by its innovative nature as a better form of money, but also by the financial policies of the US government. So what have we learned? The US debt crisis, as alarming as it is, could potentially be a boon for Bitcoin. As the Fed continues to issue more dollars to cope with the escalating debt, the demand for Bitcoin could rise, driving its price to astronomical levels. This is not just a theory posited by Bitcoin enthusiasts, but is backed by insights from influential figures like Ray Dalio and Jack Mallers. In conclusion, while the US debt crisis is a cause for concern, it might just be the catalyst that propels Bitcoin into a new era of value and acceptance. As always, only time will tell. Until then, we watch, we wait, and we ponder the endless possibilities.